أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
فلما جاوزا قال لفتاه آتنا غداءنا لقد لقينا من سفرنا هذا نصبا.
When they went further, he said to his servant, "Bring us our lunch, we were exposed in our travels to much fatigue."
قال أرأيت إذ أوينا إلى الصخرة فإني نسيت الحوت وما أنسانيه إلا الشيطان أن أذكره واتخذ سبيله في البحر عجبا.
He said, "Do you remember when we rested by the rock? I forgot about the fish. It was only the devil who made me forget it. And so it found its way to the river, amazingly."
قال ذلك ما كنا نبغ فارتدا على آثارهما قصصا.
He said, "This is what we were seeking." And so they turned back, retracing their steps.
فوجدا عبدا من عبادنا آتيناه رحمة من عندنا وعلمناه من لدنا علما.
Then they came upon a servant of ours, whom we had blessed with mercy from us, and had taught him knowledge from our own.